everyone, it's Steph with TLG here. Spring is in the air and it has us anxious to get out and show off all the brand new Peterbilt Ultralofts we have in stock. I mean, mix a new truck with a 72-degree day and it's basically perfect, right? Today we're showcasing the stunning 2020 80-inch 579 sleeper in the unique shade of dark saddle. The Model 579 Ultraloft with the wide ergonomic cab and generously sized sleeper are designed for maximum productivity and comfort for the driver. Everything about this tractor is about fuel efficiency. The full aerodynamic package, along with the minimal trailer gap, will have you cruising for miles without the need to stop for fuel. One of my favorite things about this truck is that it's equipped with Smartair. The cost-effective, climate-controlled technology keeps you resting comfortably in your sleeper, regardless of the temperature outside. It ensures your main and auxiliary batteries are charged while running the air conditioning and using electric-powered devices. Even better, it's environmentally friendly. What's not to love? These units even come with auto start-stop, which monitors the batteries and automatically cranks and runs the engine until the batteries reach a sufficient level. This allows operators to use Smartair systems and other hotel loads throughout downtime without interruption, providing comfort for resting. It also has a factory-installed fuel-fired heater for cold winter nights. A fantastic comfort option installed from the factory is the 110-volt AC inverter, which allows for utilizing common household appliances such as a coffee pot, microwave, and a TV or DVD player. A standard full-sized microwave fits in here easily, so you can pop that buttered popcorn. This inverter also provides battery charging or shore power if plugged in at a truck stop. A luxury leather seat for the driver, along with satellite radio, will have you cruising down the road in style. Of course, how can you move in style without a refrigerator to cool your favorite items when a stop is needed? Yep, it has a fridge too. If team drivers are needed, we have a double bunk ready here as well. There's a fold-away ladder allowing easy upper bunk access, supporting up to 400 pounds. Speaking of which, the upper mattress is 36 inches by 82 inches, and the lower mattress is 42 inches by 85 inches. There's some great headroom here. A very tall driver can sit on the lower bunk without touching his head to the upper bunk. Being comfortable and well-rested is essential for over-the-road drivers. Safety is a top priority with this tractor. Disc brakes, both front and rear, ensures terrific stopping distance. Tractor stability systems enhanced with collision mitigation, lane departure warning, and blind spot sensing helps even the most experienced of drivers. We have all of these safety systems on this tractor. We have installed a chain box on the left-hand side behind the sleeper to stow your chains for bad weather days so you can keep rolling. This truck is also equipped with a PACCAR MX-13 engine with 455 horses, low air leaf suspension, and a smooth 12-speed automatic transmission. Experienced or not, this truck is a breeze to drive. Contact us at any of our locations or visit www.tldtrucks.com to learn more.